Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be taking you through a series of 10 sun salutations. These help to prepare the body for exercise by increasing circulation and initiating a little bit of light stretching and stabilization, as well as just making you mindful of where your body is in space, allowing you to check in to see how it's doing. So get into something comfortable and let's begin. Start by raising your arms up overhead, keeping your spine straight, and then hinging forward at the hips, keeping a flat back, all the way down to the ground. Place your hands on your shins, make sure you can maintain a flat back, bend your knees a little bit more, hands to the ground, and step back into a high plank position. Come down into a low plank and sweep upwards into a up dog, rolling your shoulders back and down, and then coming onto your toes, pushing your hips backwards into down dog. Take a couple of deep breaths here, pushing your chest down toward the ground and pushing the ground away from you with your hands. Whenever you're ready, bend your knees, look forward, and step or hop back into a forward fold. Hands come to your toes or your shins, a nice flat back, and then breathing back out, relaxing back into your forward fold. Breathing in, arms sweep up to your sides, and then breathe out, relax everything, bringing your arms back down by your side. Focusing on our breathing for the second one, sweeping the arms up into the air, bring them in front of you, the flat back, breathing out, down into a forward fold. Breathe in as you come up halfway, breathe out, back into the fold. Bring your hands to the ground and breathe in as you step backwards into a plank position. And with the next in-breath, come down to a low push-up position and sweep forward into up dog, rolling your shoulders back and down. Come back up onto your toes and breathe out as you push your hips backwards into down dog. At your own pace, take a couple of deep breaths here, and remember to keep your back flat, pushing your chest down toward the ground, pushing the ground away from you with your palms. Great job. Breathe in as you look forward, bend your knees, and step or hop back into your forward fold, breathing all the way out. Hands to your shins, flat back, breathing in as you look forward at the ground in front of you, and breathing back out, folding back into the forward fold. One more time, take a deep breath in as you sweep your arms out to the sides. Keep your back flat as you come up and extend your spine toward the ceiling, arms overhead, and breathe out, hands back down by your sides. Great job. Moving into the third round, arms up as you inhale, and exhale, bring the arms in front of you, flat back, forward fold. Breathe in, hands to your knees, looking forward, flat back here, and exhale back into a forward fold, stepping backwards into a push-up position. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, come down into a push-up and sweep up through to up dog, rolling your shoulders back and down. Look up, and then take a deep breath in, push your hips backwards to down dog. Take a couple of deep breaths here, and if you'd like, you can pedal the feet. So one heel down to the ground as the other knee bends, and then switch. Take a deep breath in, bend the knees and look forward, and then hop or step back to the front of your mat. Breathing out as you come back into a forward fold. Breathe in, hands to knees, halfway up with a flat back. Breathe out, back to forward fold, and take a deep breath in as you sweep your arms out to the side, up to the ceiling, and then breathing out, relaxing, arms come back down by your sides. Great job. Round 4, breathing in, up to the ceiling. Breathing out, arms come in front of you, flat back, forward fold. Breathing in, hands to your knees, looking forward with a nice flat back. Breathing out, back into the forward fold and step back into a push-up position. Breathe in and come down to a low push-up and then sweep up through to down dog, rolling your shoulders down and back, looking up to the ceiling. Exhale, down dog. Take a couple of deep breaths here, and if you'd like, pedal your feet backwards and forwards. One straightens as the other bends, pushing your heels back toward the ground. Great job. Take a deep breath in, bend your knees, look forward, and hop or step to the front of your mat, back into down dog. Breathe out. Breathe in, hands to your knees, flat back, look forward. Breathe out, forward fold. Inhale, big breath in as you sweep your arms up to the ceiling, making your body as long as possible, and relax. Exhale. Breathe in, arms back up to the ceiling. Breathe out, flat back, down into a forward fold. And then inhaling, hands to shins, look forward with a flat back. Exhaling, back to forward fold, hands to the ground, step backwards into a plank. Breathe in as you come down into your push-up and sweep through, looking up, rolling your shoulders back and down. Up dog. tuck your toes, and exhale, down dog. A couple of deep breaths. Again, push your chest toward the ground, push the ground away from you with your hands. Legs straight, pushing your heels toward the ground. Take a deep breath in as you look forward and bend your knees, and then hop or step to the front of your mat, back into the forward fold. Exhale. Inhale, hands to knees, flat back, look forward. Exhale to forward fold. Inhale, sweep your arms up, out to the sides, up to the ceiling, long spine. And exhale, relax, arms by your side. Great job with these. Once again, inhale, reach your arms up to the ceiling. And flat back, arms come out in front of you, down to forward fold. Exhale. Inhale, look forward, hands to your shins, flat back. Exhale, back to forward fold, step back into a plank position. Breathe in and come down into a low plank, then sweep forward into up dog, looking up towards the ceiling. Tuck your toes and exhale, back to down dog. A couple of deep breaths here, and if you'd like, you can pedal or just stay still and feel the stability and flexibility of your body in this downward dog. You're doing great. Take a deep breath in and look forward as you bend your knees and hop or step to the front of your mat, exhaling forward fold. Inhale, flat back, halfway up. Exhale, forward fold again. And then big inhale, sweeping the arms out to the sides, up to the ceiling, stretching everything up toward the sky. And exhale, relax, arms by your side. Once more, lifting your arms out, sweeping them overhead. Flat back, exhale, down to forward fold. Inhale, hands to your shins. Look forward with a flat back and just a slight bend in the knees. And then exhale again, back down to the forward fold, stepping your feet backwards into a plank. Take a deep breath in and come down into a low push-up position, and then sweep through to up dog, pointing your toes behind you and looking toward the ceiling. Then breathe out, toes tuck under, and push your hips back to down dog, keeping your back flat, feeling that stretch in your posterior chain. Taking a couple of slow, deep breaths here. Great job. Look forward, breathe in, bend your knees, and hop or step to the front of the mat. Exhale in the forward fold. Then breathe in, flat back, look forward. Exhale again, forward fold, and then sweep your arms out to the side. Breathe in, lifting your arms up overhead. Ribs inflate from all sides, and relax. Breathe out, arms by your side. Breathe in, hands sweep overhead again, and forward. With a flat back, knees slightly bent into your forward fold. Exhale. Breathe in, halfway up, flat back, look forward. Breathe out as you bring your arms down to the mat and step backwards into a push-up position. Take a deep breath in, then come down into a push-up position and sweep your body through, rolling your shoulders back and down, looking up for up dog. Then tuck your toes under, push your hips back, and pushing your chest forward back into down dog. This is our resting position, but it's also a position of power. Take a couple of deep breaths in and out, relaxing the body, feeling it stretch and feeling its strength. Now take a deep breath in, look forward, bend your knees, and hop or step to the front of the mat, breathing out as you come back into your forward fold. Breathe in, hands up to your shins, flat back, and look forward. Breathe out, back to forward fold, and then a big inhale, sweeping your arms out to the side, up overhead, reaching toward the sky. Exhale, relax, arms by your side. Great job. Arms sweep out to the sides, up overhead. Inhale, and exhale, coming down into a forward fold. Inhale, look forward, flat back. Exhale, back to a forward fold and stepping into a push-up position. From here, take a deep breath in, come to a low push-up and sweep up through to up dog. As you breathe out, tuck your toes and push your hips back into downward dog. A couple of deep breaths here, relaxing the body, increasing your circulation, balancing and centering you. Take a deep breath in and look forward, bend your knees, hop or step to the front of your mat. Exhale into your forward fold. Breathe in as you bring your hands to your shins, flat back, look forward. Exhale back into your fold, and then a big inhale, arms sweep out to the side, flat back, coming up and stretching up to the ceiling, and then arms back down by your sides, relax. One more time. Arms sweep up again, stretching as high as you can, and with a flat back, hinging forward, exhaling into your forward fold. Breathe in, bring your hands to your shins, look forward, flat back. Exhale, hands down to the mat, and step back into a push-up position. Take a deep breath in, and then bend your elbows, coming down into a low push-up and sweeping through to up dog. Looking up towards the ceiling, chest open, tuck your toes under, and then hips backwards into down dog. Breathe out. Holding this position for a couple of deep breaths at your own pace. Remember to push your chest toward the ground, keeping your back totally flat. Great job. Inhale, look forward, bend your knees, and hop or step to the front of your mat, exhaling into your forward fold. Inhale, hands come to shins, looking forward, flat back. Exhale, back into the fold, and then with a big breath in, sweep your arms up to the sky, creating space in the front and back of your rib cage. Breathing in, and then exhaling, arms by your side. Great job with that. Again, sun salutations are perfect for preparing your body for exercise, improving circulation, aligning and recentering, and also just keeping your mind in the present. I like to use it as meditation personally. If you found value in this video and would like to see more like it, make sure you click that like button, subscribe to my channel for more fitness videos, and thank you for joining me today. I'll see you next time.